Okay, so we want to be able to break this down to create two different graphs. We want to solve this one equation by creating two different graphs and then figuring out where the intersection is. So the two graphs I'm going to create are going to be 3 times x minus 4 squared plus 6, and then I will create the graph y equals 33. And then if you graph those on Desmos, you will see this. And I apologize, I did that by hand, so it's not that pretty. But the real question is, can you find those intersection points? So we're looking at what is the ordered pair here and here. And we know the y-coordinate of both of those is going to be 33. Now we just have to figure out the x-coordinate. Well, the left or the right one's easy, that's just 10. And then the left one looks like it's -2. So our two solutions are -2, 33, and 10, 33.